Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and today I'm making chocolate avocado pudding. This easy-to-make dessert contains just 5 ingredients. It can easily be doubled, and it tastes delicious. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 2 large avocados. Cut them in half and remove the pits, and then cube them and scoop them out into either a blender, a food processor, or you can use a tall mixing bowl like I'm doing and use an immersion blender. Then add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, a half a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of almond milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now blend this together until it's smooth and creamy. Now just chill this in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. And here it is, chocolate avocado pudding. And this pudding's a lot healthier than regular puddings. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. A half a cup of almond milk. No, that's not half a cup of almond milk. That was brown sugar. A half a cup of, not almond milk. Oh, that's almond milk. This is brown sugar.